What's up guys, my name is Matt and welcome to ShineOn. If you're watching this video, it may well be one of the very first tutorials that you watch on how to use your ShineOn account. So let me introduce myself. My name is Matt and I take care of the articles on our knowledge base and our video tutorials over here on our ShineOn Support YouTube channel. Today I've got a video for you which is going to run through how to set up your ShineOn account with Shopify's direct integration. Basically, how to install and use the ShineOn Shopify app. We use something called a direct integration with Shopify, which basically means that your ShineOn account will communicate directly with your Shopify account in order to process and pass along information. So what that means is that once this is set up, your ShineOn account will be the #1 place to organize and administrate changes for your ShineOn products. Not only that, you will be able to have orders automatically sync across from your Shopify account over onto your ShineOn account. So once this is all done, the entire process of receiving orders and having them get shipped out to the customer will be completely automated. The ShineOn account is also the place where you're going to be editing your products and taking care of other bits and pieces. So let's go ahead and get stuck straight in. Now, if you have used one of our previous features, such as our Etsy integration or our special orders sales channel, then there's a good chance that you may already have a ShineOn account. If you already have a ShineOn account, to connect a new Shopify store is pretty simple. All you need to do is click the drop down for your sales channel on your ShineOn account and click Add New Store. Doing so will take you to this screen where you can click Connect in order to connect a new Shopify store. Now that's the easy method, but if you're watching this video, it's likely that you haven't got a ShineOn account set up yet, and that's just fine. Let me tell you how to go ahead and install the Shopify ShineOn app. The first thing you need to do is locate our app on the Shopify App Store. This is what you're looking for, ShineOn Print on Demand. All you need to do is click this install button, and doing so will install it to the Shopify store that you are currently logged into. All you need to do here is go ahead and click Install App. You can review the information here. I recommend going straight ahead. And then once the app is installed, you'll have access to it from your Shopify. The first thing it's going to do when you install the Shopify app is it's going to ask you to create a password for your new account. It will create you a ShineOn account based on the Shopify details that you have on your Shopify store. So it will use the same email address that you have for your Shopify. You'll need to go ahead here and create a password. I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. Once you've created your password, go ahead and click Save, and you will have access to your ShineOn dashboard. The ShineOn dashboard is where you're going to be taking care of most of the administrative tasks that you need to do for your ShineOn account, such as creating products, looking at orders, looking at payment information, and all of that sort of stuff. There is a guide over on our knowledge base which explains the full extent of your ShineOn account. If you'd like to go and have a look at that, you can check out help.shineon.com and you can locate it there. In order to get access to the ShineOn dashboard, there you can either go to app.shineon.com by putting it into your address bar, or you can go ahead from your Shopify store, click on search, click apps, and then you can locate it from here. Clicking on this will open the dashboard up in a new window. The first thing we need to do once you have connected your store to your brand new ShineOn account is we need to set up some payment information. Let me quickly explain how payments for ShineOn work. We don't charge any subscription fees for simply getting set up and starting to sell ShineOn. You can sell ShineOn products without paying any subscription fees, and all that we ask is that you pay for the base cost of those orders. What that means, let's give you an example. Say you are selling a ShineOn product that you have created for $30 US, and someone goes and pays for that product on your Shopify store. You receive $30 US from the customer. We charge you the base cost of that order, which will be, for example, $10. So we will then take payment for $10 from the account that you set up on your ShineOn account. This leaves you with $20 profit that you can do with as you please. That is how the payment system works at its very basic for ShineOn. In order to get this set up, we need to add your payment details. To do that, you simply need to access settings and go to your account settings. From here, you can scroll down to the bottom and you can add your payment. You can either add a card or you can add a PayPal to arrange for payments of base costs and shipping on your orders. While you're here, I do highly recommend turning on automatic processing of orders. What this does is it immediately will process any orders that you get in from your Shopify store so that there is no delay in getting orders turned around and sent out to your customer as soon as possible. You can of course leave this turned off, but in doing so you will need to manually review and pay for each individual order as they come in, and that can introduce delays to your customers. So I do recommend turning that on if you are able. While you are here in the account section of your ShineOn account, it might be worth also updating your information and including your name and make sure that everything is up to date here. Now that you have installed the ShineOn app to your Shopify, created a ShineOn account and set up your payment information, the last piece of the puzzle is installing the ShineOn product page to your Shopify theme. The ShineOn product page is a custom product page that we use to power the features enabled for our products. For example, some of our products allow the customer to customize the products with engraving options or to add their own artwork. It is absolutely vital that you use the ShineOn product page for all of your ShineOn products, as it powers these super important features, and if you do not use it, it can introduce issues. The ShineOn product page is only installed and used for ShineOn products on your Shopify store. It will not change anything else on your store, and it will not change the product page that is used for non-ShineOn products. If you are selling a mixture of different items on your store, including ShineOn products, all of the other products will not be affected by installing the ShineOn product page. In order to install the ShineOn product page, we simply need to click Settings and click Page Settings. This is where you can look at all the information relating to your ShineOn product page. When you access this for the first time, you will be asked to agree to the ShineOn Terms of Service. Go ahead and do that and click Continue. And then you can go ahead and click the big green Install button to install the ShineOn product page to your Shopify theme. While we wait for the ShineOn product page to install on our test store here, let me show you what it looks like. This is the default ShineOn product page for one of our products. It has various different features which you can change and tweak, more on that in just a moment, and some features which are absolutely essential to our products. We have sections that allow the customer to choose between different variants of the product, and we also have full descriptions of the product on the page and reviews as well. All of the ShineOn product pages that we use are conversion tested to make sure that they sell the most as possible. Back over onto our test store here, we can see that the ShineOn product page has now been installed and is ready to be configured. Now that the ShineOn product page has been installed, your ShineOn account is ready to start creating products. If you would like to start creating products on your new ShineOn account, all you need to do is click Add Product. Doing so will take you to the catalog of products. This will show you all of the products that are available to you for you to create right now. Clicking on any one of these will take you to the subsection, and then you're able to go ahead and start designing the product of your choice. This is the product creator just here, where you can upload your designs and name your product and configure different options. There is a guide on our knowledge base that talks about creating products in detail. I do recommend you go and check that out. So at this point, I am happy to say that you are complete and ready to go ahead and sell ShineOn products. However, before I close off the video, there is one optional feature that I would like to show you, and that is how to configure the ShineOn product page. As I discussed and shown you, the ShineOn product page, it can be configured to include different options. And if you're the type of person that has spent a lot of time configuring your Shopify store to look just right, then you can configure the ShineOn product page so that it will match your theme. In order to do that, we simply need to go ahead onto Shopify and edit it from there. So over here on our Shopify store, we just need to click on Online Store, click on Themes, and then go ahead and click Customize. This will take you to the theme editor. And then we click the drop down at the box, go to products, and then here we can access the ShineOn product pages. We have the ShineOn and ShineOn Fast product pages, which are being used right now. I'm They are slightly different in the way that they are configured, so I'll quickly show you. Click on ShineOn Fast for the time being, and you will be able to see all of the configurable options on the left. Clicking one of these options will allow you to configure different options for that setting. For example, here we can change what it looks like. Clicking the drop down at the top and changing to the normal ShineOn product page, we can go ahead and look at even more configuration options for that product page. You just need to click on the options on the left and everything will be made available to you on the right. If you're interested in learning all about how to configure your ShineOn product pages, that was just a quick overview. There are more in-depth guides available to you at help.shineon.com. And guys, that is everything you need to know on quickly setting up and installing the ShineOn app to your Shopify. I hope this has been super useful. I hope to see more of you around here at ShineOn. Until next time, I've been Matt, and thank you for watching.